Hello, I'm Mark Kelly. I own Inbound Revenue, and I've got a series of AdWords tips to help you, hopefully. Today is AdWords tip number 98, and I'm going to talk about one of my favorite extensions that I believe is underused. Again, I'm Mark Kelly, founder of Inbound Revenue. Here's my email address if you ever want to reach me. Here's our website. Feel free to contact us for a free AdWords review. We do lead generation and AdWords management. Hop down here and chat with us. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about setting up my favorite underused extension, the message extension. You'll find these in your campaigns under ad extensions, where all your ad extensions exist. We'll go to message extension and we'll create a new one. A message extension is the ability for a message to be sent directly to a text enabled device like a cell phone, and have that come directly from the user based on a click on an ad. I think it's pretty cool because it's kind of neat when your phone goes off and you look and there's a potential customer messaging you. So what you do is you put in your company name, your text number, obviously not mine. Here's the extension text, is the text that's going to show in the ad, then the message text is what's going to come to you. Okay, so there's the ad. What they're going to see on the ad. You need leads fast? Reach out now. So Google's going to determine if they have a text-friendly device and then show that ad extension and people can just click on it. Then this message is what's going to come to you. I wish I could type better. This would be a more beautiful video if I could. But anyway, this is whatever message that you want sent to you so that you know, hey, this is coming from a Google ad. So I saw your ad on Google. Please contact me ASAP. You're obviously going to get the sender's cell phone number so you can respond. Then you save that. Oh, okay, so it didn't like my phone number. Let's see if that's more better. So we save that, and then I'm going to delete that because that's not an accurate phone number. So anyway, that's all you have to do is save that. That'll now be active at the campaign level. I think it's really cool when you get a message and it's underutilized. One of the reasons it's underutilized is I often ask clients about it, and they'll be like, no, whoever the client is doesn't want messages coming right to their phone. But in those cases where they do, it's a neat little tool, a neat way to get some extra leads, and it's also something that most AdWords experts are not promoting. So it just lets you stand out a little bit from the crowd. Again, I own Inbound Revenue. That's AdWords tip number 98. Setting up the message extension.